Mary Smith said, "Noble deeds and hot baths are the best cures for depression."
Hello everyone and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What we're going to do today is I am going to review the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara. I typically buy the waterproof version whenever I do buy mascaras. So I thought I would do a demo as well as a, little review of this mascara, because I know some people may see it and wonder, does that really work? Does that really do anything? Does it, flare out the mascara or the lashes? I thought I'd get in really close, real quick. Now, this is my better eye with lashes. That's my left eye, so I'm getting in fairly close so you can see the lashes. That's before mascara, mind you. Now, my right eye, I'll show you that one as well. That's what the right eye looks like. Hardly any lashes at all, really. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this and show you what my lashes normally look like once I apply one coat, two coats, until I'm satisfied with it. Because this stuff does build nicely on its own, I find. But I'm taking a lash curler here and going to curl my lashes really good. Now, the eye look that I have on, I will be doing a look using a palette, the Glam Metals palette that I got in a BoxyCharm, I believe, at one point. So, I will be doing this look coming up. So, and I'm just curling my lashes really good because, that does help mascara to work better in my book. So, that's what they look like up close. So, then I just take this. Now, this wand is a rather different wand. I mean, I will say that much for it. Get it up here close where you can see it here. Possibly. I mean, it's not your typical spikes, not your typical mascara. It's like a twisty looking wand. It's not your standard rows of brushes. And some people may like that, some people don't. Me, I think it's just different. I don't see that it has a whole lot of extra purpose that I've found. So, but I'm going to grab my mirror here and go ahead and apply a coat of this to my lashes. And what I typically do is, with this one at least, I start at the base of the lashes and then I kind of twist up. Now, you can do different ways. You can put it at the base and wiggle as well. But, it's whatever you want to do. Then I just kind of take it and kind of brush it through. I mean, if you ever have a mascara that's not working just right for you, try different methods of applying it. Take it and wiggle it. Put it at the base of the lashes. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Pull it out. Put it at the base. Wiggle. Pull it out. Or you take it and you put it at the base and you roll it like you're rolling it away from the eye. I mean, that's that eye. And my camera does not want to pick up just right. But that's the right eye. That's usually my worst eye, and you can't usually tell a whole lot with that eye. Or sometimes you can tell a whole lot if it's a big impact. But now we'll do the left eye real quick. Now, I don't do a huge full 180 turn. I just curl it a little bit, Whoop. and sometimes you poke yourself in the eye. But that's life, right? And I know I'm covering my face. And I'm going in for a second coat on the other lashes already. It's just habit for me to do 2, possibly more coats. Of any mascara. It doesn't matter whether it's CoverGirl, Maybelline, Revlon, Wet n Wild, Almay. Well, I haven't tried Almay, so I don't know. But that's what it looks like now. So, to me, this mascara really does work fairly well. It doesn't give intense length, you know, but it does a little something. I mean, it's better than my Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof, or my Wet n Wild, no, not the Wet n Wild, crap, what is it? I haven't, oh, the e.l.f. Lengthening and Defining Mascara. I mean, it's better than those, so, yeah. This is not what I call a glam mascara. You know, like if you're wanting extreme volume, length, everything solely from one mascara, this is not the mascara for you. But if you like a little extra something, you know, I just went in and added a little bit more here. But you can even see the shadow of the lashes more now. But that's what the lashes look like up close now. So, but, you know, so that's a decent mascara, you know. I mean, some people might like it, some people might not. But for me, it's an okay mascara. Now, I personally love layering that with the one I showed you a minute ago, the Essence I Love Extreme Volume. Because this, to me, adds more length than the CoverGirl one. And they work great together. You know, use this one in waterproof and the CoverGirl, you're good to go. And this one, the Essence, is even cheaper. So, you know, and this one is fine by itself, but it just adds a little something extra for the CoverGirl if you do use that with it. So, but I do hope you hit that subscribe button, because I do have different videos coming up, including, like I said, this eye look, minus the mascara, of course, as well as I have a review of the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream coming up in the future, as well as what I consider my BB, let me know if you want to see a BB cream demo tutorial type thing where it's just that and no review. If you do want to see that, I can do that as well. I also have a review of the NYX HD, or not HD, the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. I have a review of that coming as well, as a review of the AOA Studio Perfect Powder coming, the one in translucent. So there's all sorts of goodies coming, as well as, you know, if I don't already have it up, my everyday makeup drawer. I've already done my everyday makeup bag, so now you get to see the everyday makeup drawer if you haven't already. So I do hope you hit that subscribe button down below, and also follow me on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can even follow me on Pinterest, Snapchat, you name it, I probably got it. And I also have a blog. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. My top 5 videos linked below are new Maybelline City Mini palette review and demo, what's in my purse, Garnier Argan Oil and Cranberry Extract review, get ready with me, easy natural drugstore first video, styling my short bob.